The Royal Oak briquettes. Just lay them out right there. Like that. Post oak. Alright, I'm gonna let that catch and then we'll get to cooking. Alright. So we're gonna do some rotisserie chicken. Just like that. So I got me the Royal Oak briquettes and then I split up post oak. Get that good smoke flavor right there. So I'm gonna leave it open like that, exposed, no top. Just let that wood burn and let that chicken smoke. So let's get to cooking. I move the bird more towards the middle, and then I moved the briquettes and the wood a little bit closer, and I put me another split right there to warm up. But with this, since it's opened up right here up top, it's getting a lot of air, so the briquettes are going to burn quick. So there might be times where, just to keep the wood going, I may need to add some wood briquettes in there to keep the wood lit, but that's what it looks like. Let all that chicken absorb all that smoke. I'm gonna add this wood split. It's already warm. Let's add it like that, and then it'll catch. I'll get some more fire going. There it goes. It's always good to keep that wood warm. Get it hot and it's gonna catch on pretty quick. Let the flames kiss that chicken. That bird is cooking. That post oak smells so good. You can already tell it's getting some coloration on it. Oh, look at this, is coming off. That's what it'll do. That wood fire right there. But yeah, it's already coming apart. Look at that. Alright, so that's what we got going right now. You know, I'm gonna monitor it so we can really tell we gotten some color already. So it means that whole chicken is taking up, absorbing all that smoke. So yeah, so we'll see how dark it gets. If it gets dark, I'm assuming that it probably will. So yeah, it's gonna be hopefully pretty good, pretty delicious. You know, but I'm not trying to put too like large wood splits in there. I'm trying to go for pretty, you know, medium size. I don't want a huge flame, but I've added some more added B&B briquettes in there to kind of keep it going so the wood won't die out, because eventually if your charcoal goes out, even if you try to apply your wood, it's not going to catch. So you need still a hot coal bed, you know, on there to keep it going. So that's what I got. So I'm not trying to go crazy on it with the fire, you know. So I have all day to do this. Actually, since the times changed, I think probably within an hour it'll be sunset. So we'll see if I'm still out here during that time. But if I am, we're still cooking. But yeah, so I'm gonna let it roll. Got me a brew. I'm gonna let the music play. You know how I do it. All right, we got a, what is that? That's like a Dick's Sporting Good right there. Balloon advertisement right there. You think they can see me barbecuing? Alright, let's get some more fire in there. Just like that. Yeah, let it burn. You're looking good, don't you think? I've added another wood split. It's an hour, and I tempted the breast, and I'm sitting at 107, so we're getting there after an hour. But it's looking good. I stuck a temp spike thermometer in there, as you saw, but it was reading at 180, 190, so I'm pretty sure the fire did something to that. So, but when I temped it with my hand thermometer, it said that it was at 107, so we're getting there. But yeah, after an hour, that's what it looks like. Well, the sun's starting to set. We're about to hit around 5:30 in the afternoon, so soon it'll be darkness. But we got some light. Yep. So I did place another wood split to get warm right there. But yeah, what do you think? How's it looking? Man, looking good, don't you think? The fire. There's Weber Kettle. Get a little close up. And I'm hungry. It's looking good. Alright, let's continue on. Yep, it's coming along. Looking good. I'm gonna add this wood split right there. Get it warm, get it hot. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. So I'm gonna let it keep riding. There's that fire. I did add some more briquettes of royal oak. Look at that. That's looking good. 2 hours in. Yeah, there goes the sun. It's going. But I'm gonna add this wood split right there. All right, so yeah, I'm just, I'm not expecting it to get, done quick. I mean, It is open flame, you know what I mean? Now if I had it covered and just briquettes and wood chunks, then probably would be done about now, but you know, all the heat's escaping, so, but you know, if I had placement of maybe underneath it or other on the side, but I just put it to the side here and let it cook like that, so it's cooking, you know. But I got plenty of time, you know. I got the music playing, got some cold beverage, yeah, looking good. So just gonna continue on. Yeah, look at that. Got that wood split right there. Fire's going, but soon that one will be out. But I want to check to see where the chicken's at. So let's stop it right there. And let's just get it right there. 51, 52. So we're almost getting there. We're almost getting there. But that's what it looks like. Yeah. I don't know. What do you think? 30 minutes, another hour, and it's done. Looking good. Just the little way it looks with the lights off. No, you see it's that fire. Beautiful. Alright, let that one catch and then continue on. That wood is burning, which feels pretty good because lately here in Texas the nights have been chill, so it's cooled down a bit here during nighttime, so feels good standing next to this right here. This cook is almost done, guys. It's almost done. It's been a good one. Well, we've come to the end. Oh, look at that bird. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So it's done. So I'm going to take it off, let it rest, and then I'm going to eat. Oh, yeah. it is. All done. It's like my sword, right? I'm gonna let it rest, and then I'm gonna slice into it. Feels good, keeping warm. It's getting chilly out here now. Oh. Good time, good time. It looks awesome. Crispy skin. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, man. You hear that? Crispy. All right. Let me slice right into it. Man. Man. Oh, wow. I'm gonna bite into this. Man. All right. I don't want to slice all into it because it's still pretty warm and it's getting chilly out here. So it's gonna cool down the burn even more. So I'm just gonna get these two right here and eat it. All right. It's been a good day. I've really enjoyed today. Just hanging out here, cooking. So since the time change, about 5:45. No more sun. It got dark, but hey, this kettle continue on. As you saw, burning wood. I did have to add every now and then some charcoal briquettes just to keep a coal bed going to help the wood keep lit, and it was fantastic. And it's a Weber kettle. It can never do wrong. So let's taste it. I can just smell from here. I can just smell that post oak. So it took in a lot of smoke, but here we go. Mm-hmm. Mm. Breast, the best part. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Here's one with the skin. That crispy skin. Can't beat that. Well, this was a fantastic cook. I had fun playing with fire again. Other than my Oklajomo's Highland, play fire in the Weber kettle. You just can't beat that. That was awesome. That was awesome. Just letting it burn wood after wood. See what you can do in the kettle? But hey, I'm gonna make sure that this fire is completely out. I'm gonna head inside and I'm gonna eat because it's time to grub now. Well, as always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh man, I'm hungry.